Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Untraceable's masterclass tutorial on Anonero wallet. Anonero is a secure Android mobile Monero wallet, allowing offline air-gap transactions. It consists of two applications, Anon, which is the offline wallet, and Nero, the online wallet. In order to use this wallet, we will need two phones. This essentially allows you to turn your phone into a DIY Monero hardware wallet. In this tutorial, we are using two Google Pixel phones running Graphene OS. We will also need Tor browser to download Anon and Nero. Type anonero.io on Tor browser to download the wallet applications. Now that we have downloaded and installed Anon onto our offline mobile device, and Nero onto our online mobile device, we are ready to begin. On the phone with Anon, let's create a wallet. Since Anon will be used offline, it is not necessary to set up a node connection. Click Skip at the bottom of the screen. Anon will now be set up in offline mode. On the next screen, set up a strong passphrase. You will need to remember this in order to access your seed, backups, and other vital information in the future. Next, you will set up a PIN code. You will need to enter this PIN every time you open your wallet. In this screen, you will be shown your mnemonic seed phrase. Make sure to write this down on a piece of paper or other secure location. Never type your seed into a computer, for best security. Pause the video and write down your seed now. Click Finish and you will be taken to your wallet. On the bottom row, you will see buttons for Home, Receive, Send, and Settings. Now let's set up Nero on our online device. Open Nero on your online device. Allow notifications and disable battery optimization in order to allow Nero to sync in the background. Click on Restore Wallet and then Restore from Keys in order to import the wallet we created on Anon. Now we must set up an Onion node connection since Nero will be used online. For a list of available remote Onion nodes, you may go to monero.fail, filter to show only Onion nodes and pick one from the list. You may also connect to your own Onion node if you run one yourself. For this tutorial, we will look for Monerujo's Onion node and copy the information into Nero. Click Connect at the bottom of the screen. On this screen, we will set up our view-only wallet. Back on Anon, click on Settings tab on the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on View Seed and enter your passphrase. This screen shows all the necessary information to backup and restore your wallet. We can export this information to Nero easily by clicking Export keys at the bottom of the screen and scanning the QR code with Nero. On Nero, click the Scan button to open the camera and scan the QR code on Anon. Now Nero will ask you to set up a PIN code. Once that is done, we have successfully set up both Anon and Nero on our devices, and they are ready to use. Nero will take some time to synchronize to the latest Monero block. We will go to our Receive screen on either Anon or Nero and send some funds from another wallet in order to do a test transaction. We've sent some funds to Anonero and waited for enough confirmations. Now, we'll build our first air-gapped transaction. To demonstrate that Anon is truly offline, we can turn on airplane mode to cut all data connections. If you are using Anon as a DIY hardware wallet, it may be a good idea to always have airplane mode on. On Nero, click the Send button at the bottom of the screen and fill out or scan the address and amount. We will send half of our balance as a test. Once you've filled out the information on the sending screen, click Continue. What follows will be a series of 4 or fewer QR codes that we must scan back and forth with each wallet. On Anon, click on the scan button to open the camera and scan the output's QR code. After scanning this, Anon will show you the key image's QR code. Click Scan Key Images on Nero and scan. Now Nero is building the transaction with the provided information. This takes a few moments. After verifying that the information is correct, click Confirm. Now Nero will show you the unsigned transaction QR code. Yep, you guessed it. Scan this QR code with Anon. Anon will display the transaction information once more for you to review. Click Confirm, and finally this is the signed transaction QR code. Click Scan Signed Transaction on Nero, and finally click Broadcast Transaction. You've done it! You can click Finish on Anon. To recap, Anon holds your spending keys in an offline device. This makes it extremely unlikely that any malware, hackers, or other vulnerabilities can steal your money since your device has no connection to the internet. While Nero, on the other hand, is online, but only holds your view keys and cannot spend your money alone. Together, Anonero form a powerful and secure self-custody solution that is highly accessible to almost anyone in the world. That marks the end of the tutorial. If you find Anonero useful, don't forget to send them a donation. The Anonero team works extremely hard and certainly deserve it. Their donation address can be found at their website. And if you found this guide useful, feel free to send some Monero to the creator of this video to encourage him to create more content like this in the future. Thank you for watching.